10 amazing facts about margay. Margay, a lesser-known cat from South America, is an extraordinary creature with many fascinating characteristics. Its wildcat ancestor was most likely the jaguar. Margay lives in the tropical rainforests of South America. You will not see it during the day because it is a nocturnal animal. It sleeps during the day and is active at night. The name margay means ringed cat or spotted cat. This beautiful wild cat is very elusive and prefers to stay high up in the trees. It is a solitary creature and has a wide home range that can cover up to 80 square miles. The coat of this amazing cat comes in various colors, ranging from gray to rusty red and yellowish buff. They have rosette spots and thick stripes on their bodies, which help camouflage them in their environment. Margays are extremely agile and good at climbing trees. They have retractable claws that help them grip branches while they jump from one tree to another. Their fur is also very dense and water repellent, which helps them stay warm and dry in the rainforest. In addition to being great climbers, margay cats are also excellent swimmers. They have webbed feet that help them paddle through the water, and their long tail acts as a rudder to steer them in the water. The average lifespan of a margay in the wild is around 8 to 10 years, but some margay cats have been known to live up to 20 years in captivity. So how big are these amazing animals? Well, the size of a margay depends on its location. Those living in Brazil tend to be smaller than those found in other parts of South America. On average, females are smaller than males, just like most other cat species. Generally, a female margay weighs between 6.6 and 11 pounds, while a male can weigh anywhere from 13 to 22 pounds. Margay is a very vocal animal and has a variety of vocalizations, including hisses, growls, purrs, and even meows that sound like domestic cats. Although they are solitary creatures, margays can come together to mate. Females are polyestrous, meaning they can go into heat multiple times a year. Margay cats typically mate during the night, and after a gestation period of around 70 to 90 days, females give birth to 1 to 4 cubs. Just like other big cats, margays are classified as solitary and elusive animals, which means that each margay has its own territory that it defends from other margays. These magnificent creatures can live in lowland tropical rainforests, moist premontane forests, and even swampy areas as long as there is plenty of water available. Interestingly, margays generally prefer areas close to water, such as swamps, marshes, and rivers. This is because water is an essential resource for them, as it provides hydration and helps regulate their body temperature in hot environments. Margays are also known to inhabit regions with a significant amount of prey such as rodents, monkeys, reptiles, and birds. Therefore, having access to water sources within their territory increases the abundance of prey, making it a suitable habitat for margays. Additionally, water bodies also serve as important corridors for margays to move between suitable habitats. By utilizing waterways, margays can travel long distances without having to venture into unsuitable terrain, reducing their risk of encountering predators or other threats. Overall, the preference for areas near water reflects the ecological role of water in supporting the habitat and prey abundance necessary for the survival of these magnificent creatures. Margays typically sleep during the day, so you won't be able to spot them unless you venture out at night. And even then, they are so well camouflaged that you might miss them if you don't look closely. So here are some tips on where to look for margays at night. Look for tracks in the mud or on sandy ground. Tracks can help you identify whether a margay has recently been in the area and can also give you an idea of its size and sex. Listen for their distinctive calls. Margays are known to be quite vocal, so you might be able to hear them before you see them. How to listen for the sounds of a margay. Look for signs of activity in the trees. Margays are excellent climbers and spend a lot of time in the trees. Look for droppings on the ground or in trees. Droppings can be difficult to find, but if you do come across any, they may contain clues about the animal's diet. So when looking for margays, be patient and persistent. Don't get discouraged if you don't see one right away, as these elusive creatures can be quite tricky to spot. But with a little bit of luck and a keen eye, you may just be able to catch a glimpse of one of these amazing animals in its natural habitat. And now let's answer the question, in which country can we find them? As mentioned earlier, margay cats are native to South America. However, their range is fragmented and they are not found in all South American countries. So which countries specifically have the highest population of margay cats? First, we have Bolivia, which has a significant population of margay cats in its tropical forests, especially in the lowlands. Next, we have Brazil, which is home to a large number of margay cats, particularly in the northeastern and northern regions where the Atlantic forest and the Amazon rainforest are located. French Guiana is another country with a significant number of margay cats due to its extensive tropical rainforest. Similarly, Guyana also has a considerable population of margay cats thanks to its lush forests. Moving further south, we have Paraguay, which has a good population of margay cats, especially in the eastern regions near the Brazilian border. Lastly, Peru is another country with a sizable population of margay cats, mainly in the Amazonian lowlands. These countries have suitable habitats and ample prey for the margay cats to thrive. Therefore, they are considered to have higher populations compared to other South American countries. Each country has its unique ecosystem and geography, contributing to the distribution of this elusive feline. While these countries have the highest concentrations of margay cats, they can also be found in other South American countries such as Ecuador, French Guiana, Colombia, Panama, Suriname, and Venezuela. However, their populations in these countries may be lower compared to the ones mentioned earlier. Let's delve deeper into the world of margay by exploring what they eat. Margays are primarily carnivorous, which means they eat meat. Their diet consists of various types of prey, including rodents, primates, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. Rodents such as agoutis, capybara, and pacas make up a significant portion of their diet. Primates like camarins, marmosets, and saucus are also frequently consumed by margays. Birds, particularly those found in rainforest habitats, are also a staple of their diet. Margays are excellent at catching birds due to their agility and speed. Reptiles such as snakes, lizards, and turtles are also included in the margay's diet, as well as amphibians like frogs and toads. The margay's feeding habits can vary depending on the availability of prey and their geographic location. For example, in areas where capybara are present, margays are known to prey on them regularly. Additionally, margays are opportunistic feeders, meaning they will take advantage of any available prey. This flexibility in their diet allows them to thrive in different habitats throughout South America. Margays play an essential role in the ecosystem by keeping the populations of their prey species in check. By preying on rodents, they help control rodent populations and prevent potential outbreaks. Similarly, they also contribute to the regulation of bird and reptile populations. Their feeding habits, therefore, contribute to the overall balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Margays possess several adaptations that make them efficient hunters. Their acute sense of hearing enables them to locate their prey precisely, while their excellent night vision allows them to hunt effectively in low light conditions. Additionally, their agility and climbing skills enable them to approach their prey from unexpected angles. For instance, they often climb trees to get a better vantage point or to ambush their prey. Margays use a combination of stealth and speed to capture their prey. They typically stalk their prey before pouncing on them with their sharp claws and teeth. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth are well adapted for crushing bones and tearing flesh. Overall, the margays' hunting strategies and physical attributes make them successful predators in their rainforest habitat. So if you want to learn more about animals like margay, don't forget to subscribe.